How are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. How's it going, guys? I'm recording my screen. I hope you guys can see that. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. But I am excited to come and chat with you guys about the Keep Going, Keep Growing 2021 incentive. Yay! Are you guys so excited? I love Scentsy. I love all the incentives, guys. I love everything that they offer us. I do. I am celebrating this year. This will be my 11th year with Scentsy, and I'm so excited about all the incentives and all the different prizes that I've earned being a part of Scentsy, guys. So this incentive is about Keep Going, Keep Growing 2021 incentive, guys. So here's a quick overview. You can find this here, guys, in your workstation. In the Scentsy dashboard, you will see on the side here, you will see that there's an incentive with a $sign in front of it. You will click on that, guys, and it will lead you over to this particular page. So you have overview, you have track your progress, how to earn, and FAQ. So as you can see, guys, you got the Keep Going, Keep Growing incentive. Keep Going, Keep Growing incentive. It says kick up your sales in sponsoring this season to earn Scentsy products, Scentsy branded luggage or sneakers, or even a trip for two to the January 2022 leadership event. So that is so exciting. So that is the overview. So then you click on track your progress. This is where, guys, you can see in here where you can see, where your PRV calculates in here. This is where you'll get your levels for your sponsoring. So you got level 1, level 2, level 3, and as you could see, you need 1,000 more PRV with at least one more sponsor consultant to be eligible for that level 1 award. And it tells you also too who is certified. So you need people to get certified in March, April, May, and June. And you can see this is if they had to make adjustments for you for March, April, May, or June. And so I love this tracker. I love that Scentsy has added this to the tracker, because in the beginning, guys, it wasn't like this. We didn't have a tracker. We had to calculate it and figure it out all in our brains, or either write it all down on a notebook pad or something like that, or whatever. So thank God to everybody who has created all types of wonderful flyers for us, all types of different tracking to help us keep up with our points. So that is so super duper cool. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Okay, so you have view the front line here. See, view frontline points. As you can see, you can view the frontline points here. And so say if you had a front line that was earning it, you can click on that and see which of your front line have already earned Keep Going, Keep Growing incentive. So that is so cool. Okay, so you're going to go over here and you're going to click on how to earn. So for instance, guys, if you were interested in having a how to earn your incentive trip. So how do I earn the incentive? Earn one of the levels below within the qualification period. It says here is what it takes. Here's what it takes. So level 1, qualifications, sell 1,000 in PRV within the qualification period and sponsor one new consultant during the qualification period, which reaches certified consultant, like whoever reaches certified consultant status through the product sales by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to June 30th, 2021. So we have all of March, all of April, all of May, all of June. That's 4 months to earn the incentive. And your rewards for that will be Fall Winter 2021 New Season Sales Kit for scent category product, plus an all-exclusive warmer design for the incentive, plus 500 points toward the fall and winter incentive, which is so super cool, guys, because that's really what you want. You want to be able to get points toward your future fall winter incentive, because there's going to be another incentive that starts usually in August, right, or July 1st, depending on how Scentsy wants to start it. Okay, so you got level 2, guys. Qualifications, sell 2,500 in PRV within the qualification period and sponsor 2 new consultants during the qualification period who reach certified consultant status through product sales by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or to June 30th, 2021. Your reward for that is option 1, Fall Winter 2021 New Season Sales Kit for home and scent category products, plus an exclusive warmer design for the incentive, plus 1,500 points toward the fall and winter incentive. Or you can do option 2, $300 USD product credit for a Scentsy shopping spree. Yay! Level 3, guys, qualifications. Sell $3,500. I'm going to say sell $3,500. $3,500 in PRV within the qualification period, and sponsor 3 new consultants during the qualification period who reach certified consultant status through products and sales by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, June 30th, 2021. Rewards. Option 1, Fall Winter 2021 new season sales kit for home and scent category products, plus an all-exclusive warmer design for the incentive, plus an exclusive 2-piece set Scentsy branded luggage or a pair of custom Scentsy Converse sneakers, plus 3,000 points towards the fall winter incentive, plus $300 in USD product credit for a Scentsy shopping spree. Or you get option 2, $1,000 in USD product credit, or for a Scentsy shopping spree. For that $1,000 you get a USD product credit for a Scentsy shopping spree. And there's level 4, which is top 50 qualifications. It says the top 50 level 3 earners with the highest PRV and number of recruits who achieve certified status during the qualifications period, plus the highest cumulative group wholesale volume of their eligible recruits, those who achieve certified consultant status for the first time during the qualification period. Your rewards are option 1, an all expense paid trip to Scentsy's leadership event for you and a guest, January 2022. Or you get your choice of level 3 rewards. It says new consultants must be recruited between midnight PT, which is Pacific Standard Time, March 1st, 2021 to 11:59 p.m. Up to June 30th, 2021, and promote to certify between midnight or Pacific Standard Time, March 1st, 2022 all the way up to June 30th, 2021. So yes, guys, I am shooting for a level 3. But, I'm shooting for level 3. I absolutely love all of the pluses in level 3. So cool. Let's see. And you also have here, guys, your FAQ. So if you want to know what your FAQ is, you would go through here and look through who's eligible. You click on these buttons, say when is the qualification period. It tells you here. It tells you who's eligible. All of us are eligible. All consultants worldwide are eligible to earn one of the 3 levels of these awesome rewards. All of us are eligible. All of us have a chance, guys, to make this happen. All of us have the chance to make this happen. All of us have the chance to rock this out, to earn all of these levels, guys. Level 1, level 2, level 3. I'm shooting for level 3. I love level 3. I'm shooting for level 3. And so also too, I want to show you here in the track progress, there is an actual download printable tracker. So you can actually click on that and it comes over here and you can see it, guys, as a keep going 2021 tracker that you can print this out, guys, and you can keep track of your actual points. So I absolutely love that Scentsy have this in here. So I'm going to minus that back out so you can see me go back to the thing here. And I'm going to click on how to earn. And inside of here, there's also a download reward flyer. So you click on the download reward flyer and it comes up with this beautiful flyer. Keep going, keep going. You got the 2021 incentive here, guys. So I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. And so that's what's so cool about this whole entire thing with the keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going 2021 incentive, guys. It says kick up your sales with sponsoring. That's what you want to do. You want to sponsor, you want to sell, you want to do all that you can to earn this. So I love that they give you a description of what you're going to get. So you see that you see the fall and winter season scent kit, sales kit, scent category here. And you see your exclusive warmer that they're going to pick out for you, which these warmers are so beautiful, guys. They really, really are. And then you see the points that you get. So this is something you want to print out too, so that way you can see it, or you can save the PDF to your computer or to your phone. But this is something that you can print out too. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm so super excited about it. I don't know if I want the luggage. The luggage is so cool. I've seen the luggage. It's beautiful. And I don't know if I want the Converse. I've never owned a pair of Converse before, okay? So I don't know. I'm not sure. And I'm trying to decide on if I want the luggage, but I know I'm shooting for level 3, guys. I am, as they say, shoot for the stars, or shoot for the moon and you land amongst the stars. That's what they say, shoot for the moon and you land amongst the stars. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna shoot for it, guys. We're gonna go for it. We're gonna give it our all, guys. So be sure to just start off the ground running. You know, here it is, day 3. We still need to, you know, do what we need to do to get all of, you know, to reach out to our customers, reach out to our team members, do what all we can to cheer everybody on and help them make it all the way to the top, guys. So I just wanted to share this with you. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm so pumped, guys. I really, really am. I'm just so excited about it. So, you know, let's do this, guys. Let's rock it out. We can do this together. We can earn these prizes together. So I'm so excited, so happy for us all. So thank you so much for watching, guys. That is it for me, guys. I love you all. You are amazing. I truly and sincerely appreciate each and every one of you so much. And take care, guys. And I'll see you in the next Scentsy video. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.